This one box can simplify your life at least 17%. These are some of the best tools for your home. Part 2. This is a precision screwdriver kit that comes with every bit you'll need in one small kit. And I really mean it when I say this has everything that you need. It's all magnetic, so you just pop out the one you need, slide it into the electric screwdriver, then select whether you need this thing on high or low speed, and you're good to go. This is really good for fitting into small spaces, plus it has forward and reverse directions. It even has a little light on the front, so you can see what you're working on. I really do stand by this brand, and they frequently have sales going on, so I've decided to link it below if you want to check it out.